Most people think that living in an apartment means compromising on space, light, and luxury. But what if I told you some of our most impactful designs are actually apartments? From a unique bachelor pad to a luxury, compact home, we're diving into 5 different apartment designs that redefine urban living. More than just small space hacks, this video will show you how clever space planning and thoughtful detailing can turn a standard apartment into a sanctuary. My name is Alex Lee and I am from New Infinity. Before we begin, a friendly reminder, if you've not clicked on the subscribe button yet, do it now and stay in the loop of more compelling design and architecture related contents. Let's start with a project that proves you don't need a massive floor plan to have character. This is a studio apartment so bold that it feels more like a private Egyptian museum. Greeted by a mystical cocoon, we designed a dark hallway leading to a stunning stalactite ceiling feature where glowing hieroglyphs emerge from the shadows. To light dark corners without taking away the atmosphere, we designed a sculptural statement. We installed a reflective ceiling to create a floating illusion. Opposite stands a striking feature wall featuring an engraved silhouette, a subtle homage to the pharaoh. The true genius lies in the unseen. A hidden living room is revealed when the panel slides away. Once inside, your eyes are drawn to a massive membrane light encircled by hieroglyph-inspired hand-drawn visuals. Every detail here was meticulously designed by New Infinity, inspired by Egyptian influence. Designed around the owner's love of reading, a personal library is integrated with the living room at the heart of the apartment. To maintain the design visuals, we hid the lighting strips behind the books. This ensures the colorful spines don't distract from the curated atmosphere. Facing the bathroom, the master bedroom continues the deep, moody palette to curate an atmosphere for rest. The centerpiece, the custom curved stainless steel side feature designed to catch the light. To achieve a bold sculptural statement, we broke away from the dark palette with an all-white bathroom. More than just functional, it is a sanctuary of luxury and ritual. By pushing the boundaries of design, we proved that when you design with this much intent, even an apartment becomes a unique, life-changing experience. Next is the estate in South Bangsa, a 2,300 square feet high-rise unit that most people might have left looking like every other developer show unit. But here, New Infinity saw an opportunity for bold reinvention. Inspired by quiet luxury and Japandi design, this SBID award-winning home transforms everyday living into a curated boutique hotel experience. The open-plan living and dining is where you feel it most. Timber, soft beige, and rattan textures are layered with intention, creating warm visual depth and quiet retreat. The most striking transformation was the dining area. What was to be an awkward dry kitchen was moved behind the dining space. This simple but bold change opened up the layout, creating spatial flow that elevates the home. And in the new space gained, we created a bold statement that exudes luxury hotel vibes. A focal white marble sink staged by a curved ceiling. When working with apartment layouts, don't be afraid to relocate the dry kitchen. It might seem like a bold move, but it's the most effective way to gain spatial flow. It replaces awkward corners with a seamless transition, instantly creating a curated hotel-like experience. Bedrooms and bathrooms uphold the Japandi hotel aesthetic, with every detail curated for comfort and clarity. Batten headboards add warmth, and compact dressing areas feel intentional and elevated. The master bathroom imbues a serene spa-like atmosphere. With every space carefully curated for comfort, elegance, and practicality, the estate is a testament for how a high-rise condo can truly feel like a bungalow in the sky. From a boutique hotel-inspired retreat, next is a home that shows how compact living can be just as refined. Every inch of this 1,875 square feet unit was transformed by New Infinity from this to this. Originally, this was a typical condo unit with off-white tiles, a kitchen added thoughtlessly, and a layout that just didn't flow. Reimagining the layout, we flipped the TV wall with the sofa area and added a feature cabinet behind the sofa. We also extended the cabinet to a work desk, allowing a parent to work while keeping an eye on the kids. Here's a design tip. In compact layouts like this, look for dead zones. By placing the dining table adjacent to the kitchen island, you're not only optimizing floor space, but creating a high-impact visual anchor. This creates a larger, welcoming impression the moment you enter the apartment. To fix a conventional wet kitchen, we swapped disproportional cabinets for streamlined carpentry design and an ultra-slim countertop. We also darkened the hallway using a black stainless steel ceiling feature to shift focus away from the bedroom doors and turn a dormitory-style corridor into a striking gallery. The clients dreamed of an island dressing table, but the limited floor space wouldn't allow it. Our solution, we crafted a stunning corner wall dressing table, making it feel centered without sacrificing flow. By extending the glass panels to 12 feet, we bypassed the standard 8-foot limit, drastically elevating the room's sense of luxury. What began as a standard condominium unit is now an elegant and highly functional home, where every design decision was made to enhance how the family lives. Our next home is a 3,000 square feet, 5-bedroom apartment that redefines the relationship between art and interior design. Designed for a collector, this sanctuary is a study in clean lines and abstract colors. The transformation begins with the living room, where a standard open balcony was transformed from this to this. By enclosing it with floor-to-ceiling glass, the outdoors is no longer just a view, it's a framed masterpiece. In the luxurious living room of black and gold, vibrant greens and contemporary art adds personality. Organic shapes and textured piece draw nature in. A sleek black kitchen pops with green essence, providing the dark shades can feel incredibly luxurious with the right details. The master bedroom features a bed integrated into a wooden platform, creating a warm, intimate nook. A soft green padded section offers flexible seating that doubles as a play area. The highlight of the master bathroom is the Yunnan cold jade marble. Its dramatic natural veining beautifully mirrors the home's greenery, turning a functional space into a work of art. Another unique space in the home is a stylish personalized man's cave, showcasing a curated collection of art and collector toys. When designing for art in your home, don't just hang frames. Using integrated features like recessed niches makes your collection a permanent part of the home. This home proves a residence can be more than functional. It's a living canvas. Every corner is infused with the family's character, turning what was once a standard apartment into a celebration of their unique personality and creativity. For our finale, we are stepping into a space that feels less like an apartment and more like a peaceful retreat. This is the art of Muji interior design. In creating a sanctuary where the city pace dissolves into a soft, earthy aesthetic. From the moment you step inside, the home rejects the standard apartment feel and layout. The entire entrance and long corridor walls are dressed in light wood veneer, warming a transitional passage. This naturally elevates the impression of the interior space, sets the home to look luxurious, calming, and cozy. The living area is defined by an L-shaped balcony offering panoramic views of the city. The kitchen is a masterclass in hidden functionality, fully integrated with a built-in oven, microwave, and fridge. But the main feature is the travertine stone countertop. By using natural stone as a highlight, an opulent character is achieved while keeping the budget intentional and the aesthetic timeless. The key takeaway here is how the home prioritizes lifestyle over the number of rooms. A common mistake is designing for occasional guests instead of your everyday life. This home challenges that by reclaiming a guest room and making it into a personal theater. In apartment living, the ultimate luxury is a functional space that actually serves every aspect of your lifestyle, rather than a spare bedroom that just collects dust. While these 5 homes are worlds apart in style, they share the same design principle. If you dream of a home that inspires you, heals you, and reflects who you are, this project proves it's possible. And appointing the right interior designer, your home can be transformed into an extraordinary space. Now, let's hear it from you guys. Comment on the comment column below and let us know which is your preferred out of the 5 top designs. If you enjoyed this episode and you want to learn more about interior design and architecture related contents, please click on the subscribe button to stay tuned for more compelling design episodes. My name is Alex Lee and I am from New Infinity. Thank you for watching and I'll see you guys next week.